Myself, Dr. D.S. Bormone, Principal, ASSMS College of Engineering, which is run under All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society, established way back in 1970 by His Highness Srimanta Shahu Chhatrapati Maharaj of Kolhapur. I am very happy to share on this occasion that our college got the Best Professional College Award in urban area by Savitribai Phule Pune University. Also, college is accredited by NAC A plus grade, which was the first college at that time to receive A plus grade under a new format. Of course, this is because of the strong support of the management, efforts of the faculty and staff members, students' participation, support from all stakeholders. Overall, many years all the departments has worked for the overall development of the students, holistic development of the students, and even in these pandemic situations, everyone has worked very hard to overcome the difficulties arised due to this epidemic, and we tried to give the most of the inputs to the students, and students are also responded equally. That is the beauty of the bonding between the student and teachers and the management.
The Department of Civil Engineering of ASSMS College of Engineering, Pune, works with the vision nurturing the talent in civil engineers to work as a global leader for the development of society. Department was established in the year 2002. Both the courses UG and PG running successfully with full admission till date. The department is dedicated to advancing the body of knowledge and professional practice of civil engineering to meet the challenges of the coming decades. We have highly qualified and experienced faculty. At present, 6 are PhD and other faculty are pursuing their PhD. We have excellent infrastructure facilities with ICT-based classrooms, drawing room, seminar hall, and well-equipped laboratories with latest technology and software. Through all these efforts, we are making sure to continue the legacy of providing the society with efficient and knowledgeable engineers every year.
Hello, myself Dr. Suresh R. Parekar, working as a professor in Civil Engineering Department of AISSMS College of Engineering. Our departmental faculties are shifting the focus over last few years to a student-centering learning process. Teachers are realizing the recent change in the cognition process of students and are innovating various tools and techniques in teaching learning process to deliver the content so that students actively participate in it and grasp the ideas effectively. For enhancing the concept of particular subjects, we are also focusing on various courses which are by IIT professors that are NPTEL MOOC so that concepts can be very clear of the students. Faculties are also attending various faculty development programs for domain knowledge and for new trends in education technology which make their teaching more innovative. The teaching learning process in the department not only aims at the theory but also thrives to mold the students into professionals capable of meeting the challenges in the field. And to make this a success, the department has developed a strong link with construction industry and professional bodies by signing MOU with various industries. Activities such as expert lectures, industrial visits, and internships are conducted by the department in various fields so that the students can have the practical knowledge.
Hello, I am Kalyani Kulkarni, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department for 11 years. This is about our department. The students are also inspired to carry out social work through various activities under NSS scheme, specially noticed and appreciated at state level and university. And that is the reason Department of Civil Engineering has won the Best Department Award for consecutive years from 2013 to 2016 and again in 2018. Several of our alumni hold prestigious positions in leading academic institutions, government organizations and industries in India as well as different countries all over the world.
Hello, I am Vedant Kai, General Secretary from Civil Engineering Department, AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune. Our institute has always provided the students not only with the academic and technical knowledge but also various opportunities in sports and cultural activities. We have sports tournaments such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Cricket Trophy and Chhatrapati Shahu Football Trophy. Also, we have cultural and technical fests like Ashwamedh, Shivanjali, Engineering Today, etc. every year. Under Civil Engineering Department, we have various student chapters and clubs like IEI chapter, the IGDC chapter and Industry Institute Interaction Club. Our faculty members maintain a good bond with students and play the role of their mentors by guiding the students and molding them into strong and better individuals. Even in this pandemic, although the mode of education was changed, but our faculty members supported us in every way possible.
Hey there, hi, this is Shivam Fartare. I did my BE in Civil Engineering from AISSMS. I passed out in 2009 and trust me, that's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Because AISSMS, thanks to you, that I was exposed to so many different aspects of life, be it so many different people from other states and cultures that I could interact with. It's such a great experience and it has helped me grow as a person and as a human being, and I'm really thankful to you, to the institution and the teachers, the management, and even the students and friends that I've made back then. We are so close friends since 2009. And the last thing, if you do be a part of this institution, always remember, if anybody says Awaz Konacha, you should always say Civil Sa, okay? Be it, you may be from any other department, but I'll always say Civil Sa. So Awaz Konacha, Civil Sa. Good luck. Thank you very much.